Welcome, third and fourth graders. It's Mrs. Walton here on our catch-up day. I am just going to show you real quick what you need to complete here on your Google Classrooms. If you're in third grade, we're on Tuesday 10/20/2020. You got to look at that work completion tracker from Monday. Make sure you got all the things done from Monday. You've got 30 minutes of Lexi and ST math, and then you need to finish all your multiplication, which is found down here. Make sure you finish all the repeated addition, equal groups, and arrays, and you can look at the tracker to make sure you got it all done right here. Fourth graders, you have your 30 minutes of Lexia and ST math, and then you also have a writing assignment you need to complete. So please make sure you get those done. This is our last day of the week. It's a short week this week, so just get your things done for catch-up day, and we'll see you next Monday. Have a great fall break. Bye.